In this presentation, we will explore the critical process of restoring MongoDB databases from backups. Database backups are essential for data protection and disaster recovery, and knowing how to effectively restore them is a fundamental skill for any database administrator or developer working with MongoDB. There are mainly two types of MongoDB backups. First, the MongoDump utility creates backups in BSIN format. This is a logical backup method, allowing you to backup specific collections and databases. Second, we have file system backups, which involve directly copying the data files. This is a physical backup that includes indexes and metadata. Before initiating a MongoDB restore operation, it's crucial to follow a checklist to ensure a smooth and successful process. First, verify the backup integrity and ensure that the backup files are accessible. Second, stop the MongoDB service to prevent data corruption during the restore process. Third, create a current backup of your existing data before proceeding with the restore operation. This provides a safety net in case anything goes wrong during the restore. Finally, ensure that you have sufficient disk space available for the restoration process. Restoring a database can consume a significant amount of disk space, so it's essential to verify that you have enough room to accommodate the restored data. The mongorestore command is the primary tool for restoring MongoDB backups created using MongoDump. Here's the basic restore syntax. Mongorestore, followed by the host, which is localhost at port 27017 in this case. Next is the database parameter, followed by the database name. Then the collection parameter, followed by the collection name, and finally the path to the backup directory. The mongorestore command offers several options to customize the restore process. Here are some common options. Drop option drops existing collections before restoring. Upsert option replaces documents with the same _ID. Verbose option displays detailed progress information. Number parallel collections sets the number of parallel collections operations. Here is the step-by-step restore process. First, stop the MongoDB service using the command sudo system-stop mongod. Second, navigate to the backup directory and verify the files to ensure they are intact. Third, start the MongoDB service using the command sudo system-start mongod. Fourth, execute the mongorestore command with the appropriate options to restore the database. Finally, verify the restoration success and data integrity by checking the restored data and ensuring that it matches the original data. Here are a few examples of how to use the mongorestore command for full database restoration. The first command restores the ecommerce_db database, drops existing collections, provides verbose output, sets the number of parallel collections to 4, and specifies the path to the backup directory. The second command restores a database with authentication enabled, providing the username, password, and authentication database, along with the path to the backup directory. After restoring a MongoDB database, it's essential to perform post-restore verification to ensure that the process was successful and that the data is intact. First, check the collections to verify that all collections are present and confirm that the document count matches the original. Second, validate the indexes to ensure that all indexes are recreated and test the query performance. Third, run application tests to verify data integrity and ensure that the application functions correctly with the restored data. Finally, perform a security check to confirm user permissions and validate authentication settings. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.